Crazy Hair Day pencils. You will find the supplies in your new art kits. You will also need white glue. Okay, so we're going to talk about how to make a Crazy Hair Day pencil. In your kit, you should have a ribbon, some hair, googly eyes, and a pencil. You are going to need your own glue. Elmer's glue is good, tacky glue is good, it's up to you. So what you're going to do first is you're going to put a line of glue on the thick part on the hair. You're going to lay your pencil on, and I personally want to be able to use my eraser someday, so I am going to roll it only on the silver part of the pencil. And so you just roll it carefully, and it will overlap. Okay. And you want to hold it. Remember how we hold something, wait for it to dry. 1, art is great. 2, art is great. 3, art is great. 4, art is great. 5, art is great. 6, art is great. 7, art is great. 8, art is great. 9, art is great. 10, art is great. And that should be enough to hold it. Now the ribbon is just for decoration. And in the design that I've seen online or other people have made, the ribbon goes down here. You can choose to not put the ribbon on. You could use the ribbon to decorate the hair, whatever you want to do. All right, so I'm going to put my ribbon there, and you can make it into a bow. You can tie it in a knot. It's just a decoration. It's an accessory. All right. Some of you may need an adult to assist you with this part. It's really up to you. It does not have to look exactly like mine. As you see, it isn't super easy, but you might find that it's worthwhile adding. Okay. You have littler hands than me, so maybe you guys are even better at it. Okay, so here's my ribbon, and now I am going to glue on the 2 eyeballs, and I will put them right here for the face, and put a little dot of glue on the back and stick them on, and as soon as it dries, I'll show you how it works. To create crazy hairstyle, just rub the pencil between your 2 hands. I hope you enjoyed this project.